Hello and welcome back to the Road to Get Cooking. And this weekend I shot a video of me making egg bites, and they were absolutely super delicious. And for some reason my video camera does not want me to be great, and it decided to do all kinds of weird things to my video footage. So thank goodness I have a video library, so I was able to go back in my video library and look at some of the old videos that I shot years ago, and I found the footage of me making this recipe. So aggravating. I keep telling you guys that the creator struggle is real. Well, not to mention my video camera is probably 15 years old, so I think it's time to retire, old girl, one of these days. I hope she lasts until Christmas. So let me show you how I put this recipe together. And I forgot to mention, I was staying with my sister at the time that I shot this video because I had just had total knee replacement surgery, so I stayed with her during my recuperation period. That was the best time ever with my family. For this recipe, I'm going to start off with 1 pound of my maple apple breakfast sausage, and it was super delicious. I'll put the link in the iCard above. Cooking in my sister's kitchen was like cooking in my kitchen, and yeah, I can tell we're sisters because we have the same kitchen gadgets, lots of them in our kitchen. And I'm going to be using her baking pan, which looks a lot better than my baking pan. And here's all the veggies that I'm going to be using: some cherry tomatoes, some mushrooms, some spinach, some chopped onions, and some red and green bell peppers. Here's all of my sausage. I have it measured out to the size of the muffin tin because this is going to be the crust of my egg bites going into the muffin tin. I remember the smell of this kitchen smelled so good during that time. The spices and the dehydrated apples, and it was just so delicious. Super, super delicious. Nothing better than listening to food cooking. And here I'm turning them over. I'm not going to cook them all the way through because they'll be going into the oven and they'll finish baking in the oven. And save yourself a few bucks and make you some egg bites at home. There's nothing better than homemade egg bites. And from here, the next few steps are going to be pretty well self-explanatory, so just sit back and relax and watch me work like you always do. And here's the moment I have been waiting for. There are my 3 little egg bites with a piece of sausage on the top. I got a little sidetracked that day, I remember, and I cooked my sausage a little bit longer than what I wanted to, but that's okay. It just got a little crunchy, a little crispy crunchy on the top, but it's still going to be good, and I'm still going to eat it. And here I'm adding some tiger sauce. I'm going to slather my egg bites with tiger sauce. And if you haven't tried tiger sauce, you are missing out on life. It is super delicious. And I put that stuff on everything. Oh, and it's really good on fried chicken wings. See, I told you I slathered it on there. Oh, yeah. And here I am. I crawled in that chair the best way I could. And here is the moment of truth. And I remember taking that first bite, and it was everything and then some. And you know what? This is a really super easy recipe. Definitely give it a try. And what I like most about this recipe is that you can, if you have vegetables in your refrigerator bin that's trying to go bad on you, it's a great way to get rid of all those vegetables. We are not wasting vegetables. Waste not, want not. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free. And please hit the thumbs up button. That lets YouTube know that you enjoyed my content and my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video. Thanks for stopping by and spending a few minutes of your time with me today. I hope you're getting some prepping in, and I hope you're enjoying all of these easy to follow recipes. Alrighty, so be blessed. Keep God first, stay safe, and stay healthy. And I'll see you soon.